Hello guys, this is me Dawood once again. Today I'm going to talk about the remaining part, the remaining questions of the previous topic, job interview. Let's move on. Question number 6. Tell me what you know about this company. To answer to this question, you should have a little knowledge. Before you are going for job interview, you should do a little research, a little homework. You should have knowledge about the same organization, the same company, their scope of work, their branches, their GM, CEO name, etc. It is good for you. But the general and normally you can answer to this question will be like this. Sir, it is one of the fastest growing company around the Middle East, around the world. It will be based on your research. You can add about the company, what you found about the company. Sir, it is one of the fastest growing company around the Middle East. Because I'm living in the Middle East, so that's why I'm using the Middle East word. Okay, just an example. So, sir, it is one of the fastest growing company around the Middle East. I believe the work environment of the company is very good. People feel proud to be the part of the company, as company provide full support and professional front for their employees. It has many branches around the Middle East, so I have good opportunity to show my talent. Short and sweet answer. Question number 7. Why are you looking for a job change? To answer to this question, remember, do not curse your previous company. Start with good words, with praising, with thanks, with something. They should know. Maybe in the future you will be leaving them. So how your emotion and expression will be about them. They want to hear. You should start from the suitable answer will be like this. Well, thanks for the previous organization because I have learned a lot of things which has really helped me in my career from there. Short and sweet. According to me, changes are necessary. Now you come to the point. Why you already thanks to the previous organization, but now you want to explain what they want to hear. Explain the reason. Okay. So you still like the organization which is you are going to leave, but the reason could be different. Okay, but I'm talking about when you are looking for something good, so it should be like this, polite and sweet. So you should tell them like this. Okay, according to me, changes are necessary for everyone to enhance their skill, knowledge for their personal growth and financial growth. Therefore, sir, your organization is the good platform where I can learn more and utilize my skill for the company interest. Short and sweet. Okay. Question number 8. What are your salary requirement? Now, to answer to the question, be careful. If you are as a fresher, you should never expect, you should never demand the salary. This is not good. If you have experience, if you are confident, you can fight for your salary, you can talk about your salary. Still, if you cannot, that you can negotiate later in the offer. When they are going to send the offer, you can ask, you can change, you can ask for more. If they agree, they can increase, but do not fight in the interview. Answer them very polite, in a very calm manner. They should hire you, they should let you in. Let this interview be succeeded. Let them hire you, let them shortlist you, and let them consider you for later you can negotiate. But the suitable answer which is I have in my mind, you can answer to this question will be like this. Sir, for your kind information, as an experienced person, I'm talking about first we will answer as an experienced person. Sir, for your kind information, I have 7-year experience in HEC field, and salary is never been a big issue for me. But still, I'm expecting salary as company norms, as per my qualifications, designation and experience, which can help me to maintain the standards of living of my personal and economical needs. See, you explain to them the reason, you explain to them your needs, and you also explain to them, you give them polite answer, you did not fight. As experience also. But still, if you have experience, you can ask directly. If they wanted you, if they want, make you to give them number, you can give them. But if you have experience as a fresher, the good answer will be like this. Sir, as a fresher, salary has never been a big issue for me. As a fresher, salary is not a big issue for me. Okay, but still, I'm expecting at the same line. I'm expecting as company salary as company norms as per my designation, qualification, and you don't have experience. You do not supposed to add the experience. Remove the experience line. So start from here like this. Sir, as a fresher, salary is not a big issue for me, but still I'm expecting salary as company norms as per my designation, qualification, which can help me to maintain the standard of labor of my personal and economical needs. Sweet and short. Question number 9. What are your career goal? What are your career goal? What is your career path? Too many questions. Same question, the same answer can be given. To answer to the question, there are, which is coming in my mind, two type of answer can be given, should be given to this answer, this question, sorry. The first one, short term, long term. But make it short and sweet. Sir, my short term goal is to get a job in a reputed organization where I can utilize my skill and improve my career path. That is my short term goal, because now I'm looking for a job. You don't have job. If you have job, you are looking for something better, correct? Second, my long term goal is to be a respectable position in that organization. Short and sweet. Okay. Question number 10. Do you have any question to ask me? Sometimes they are giving you the opportunity to ask them a question, so do not miss it. Okay. But if you do, they don't give you, so it is better to leave. And if you have experience, you make relationship in the interview, you can ask. It will not affect you. Okay, good. But if they give you the opportunity, then ask. Okay, start with the thanks. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, sir. I would like to know about the transport facility, discuss about the transport, and that will be the time you can ask for the salary also. Okay, and sir, what will be the salary scale for the job in your organization? See, they're giving you the opportunity because they like you already. Now they are going to, they want to know what is going on in your mind, about salary expectation and other things. So that is the time, do not miss it. Answer will be like this. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, sir. I would like to know about the company accommodation, transportation facility, labor camp you are providing. You will be providing me my private accommodation. I want to know, and also I want to know about the salary scale for this job in your organization. Short and sweet. Hope you like it and will help you in your future. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Thank you.